What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. We are here out on KLX351, and as you can see, it is dark out right now. Forgot to make an intro, but sorry it's been a few days since I uploaded. It was finals week for me, so I wanted to make sure that I studied well and kept my grades up. So I got a quick little video for you guys today. I'm just gonna have some fun out on the KLX. This is probably gonna be the last video before I revamp the channel, and I'm gonna be doing it in stages. As an example, I may do the channel page first, and then some merchandise, and then I'll move on to everything after that. Enough of that. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys are all having a great day today. I hope this video can cheer you up a bit, regardless of how your day is going. Inspire you to have some fun, because at the end of the day, all of us motorcycle guys, car guys, boat guys, truck guys, whatever you are, you do it because it's fun. I know I got lots of tests to do for this KLX351. Those will of course come after I revamp the channel. On the bright side of things, it is a beautiful day out here in Oregon. Real sunny and essentially quite warm, in the 50s. Oh well, would you look at that? There's some tire tracks from somebody. It's pretty sick there. We got the new Terex from Kawasaki in Kawasaki green. As you guys can see here, KLX is running pretty dang well. From the last video, getting everything tuned in. Haven't had time to change the plug out or do the secondary throttle blade removal, but should be able to do that here soon. As you're watching this, I should be taking my final exam for the first term of this year. So that means after that, I will be off for about a month and a half. So that is going to be absolutely awesome. Going to be able to make a bunch of content, do what I want, and just have some fun. Of course, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, get that bell on. You guys, of course, are not going to want to miss all the content coming with KLX and some other things. Like I said, really trying to step up my game here. Before you know it, we'll be at 1,000, and things will just keep on going up from there. Talk about this in a later video, maybe an update to my future plans, but I think the smartest thing to do for the next build would be a truck, because a truck would allow me to do several things. One, if I ever needed to tow my car to the track, I could do so. Two, I can take the KLX to many more off-road places that I can't ride to. Of course, in Oregon we have Florence Dunes, so that would be absolutely wicked to see how the KLX does in the sand. Everybody says that you need a race bike, or dual sport is going to do garbage in the sand, but I think it would be still cool to find out. And of course, when it's cold out, be able to take KLX off-roading in the back of the truck. So I think the truck would be the smartest thing for the next build. But as you guys see, my goals are always changing. My mind is always racing. It's crazy. So in the past couple of weeks, I realized how nice it is to be filming everything. Especially when you're accused of things that you didn't do. So all you got to do is pull out your little camera and say, really? I don't recall ever doing that. Wow, when you look at that view, that is pretty amazing. Let's go ahead and get a nice shot of that. It's my good camera. Wow, pretty amazing. Nice and peaceful up here, listen to the cars. Okay, let's go ahead and make our descent, hit the other parking garage. The sweet noises of engine sounds in the parking garage. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and continue the cruise. Let's see if we can't hit up another nice spot. Wow, that car just ran that light. Almost T-boned that Cadillac. Geesh, I'm gonna have to make a compilation someday of how bad some of the drivers are here in Portland. Sometimes it's just absolutely amazing what you see. Alright, come on guy. Let's stop taking selfies. Focus on the road. Wow, this traffic is crazy. Gotta be a little careful here and slower speeds. KLX definitely likes a lot of throttle now coming off a stop. As you guys saw in last video, a couple of times when I tried to take off pretty slowly, I stalled. No getting around that, I stalled. The compression must be pretty good because when I did stall, felt like I was gonna flip over the handlebars. That could also be because, you know, I wasn't prepared for it, but let's go with good compression. That seems like a good argument. I will say, the one thing that is nice about a dual sport helmet during this time of day is that you can kind of just tilt your head down and that visor will block the sun for you. Something you really can't do with a street helmet. I suppose you could wear super dark sunglasses, but I'm already wearing sunglasses plus the built-in drop-down sun visor in my helmet. Hello, officer. Whoop whoop. Watch him be behind me now. No, we are all good. Oh man, there's no way I'm gonna make it through this light. Nope. Back into my spot here. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Probably a little bit of a short one, but like I said, wanted to get on the bike, just have some fun, clear my head. Hopefully it did the same for you guys. But of course, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. Be sure to stay tuned for more KLX351 content. Thank you guys so much for the support, all the subscribers, likes, comments, shares. Absolutely amazing on your guys' part. So with that, let's keep on going. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, get the bell on, and like I said, gonna be revamping the channel. Gonna be out of school for about a month and a half coming up. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.